me today. My mom is back with us. Thank you so much for all your prayers and your comments. We know how much you missed her. Mom, do you remember when I read the comments to you as to let you know how much our viewers miss you?
Yeah, I know that. And thank you everyone for your prayers and good comments about my health. That's the reason I'm here for you guys.
So even though she's not feeling well today, but she didn't want you guys to miss her any longer, which is the reason she's going to share her special secret recipe. So Mom, what do you have in mind today? What are we going to be making with our viewers?
Oh, today I'm going to make pasta. That's everybody like pasta nowadays, especially the young children. They love to eat pasta. I'm making today spicy tandoori chicken pasta.
Wow, it's a desi twist to pasta.
Yes, it is.
Right? Anything tandoori is amazing, but now tandoori pasta is something new. You definitely thought about this special recipe while you were away.
Okay, are you ready to learn?
Are you ready to learn?
Okay, let's go now. Start it. Okay, I'm so excited to teach everybody how I make spicy tandoori chicken pasta.
वीडियो देखने से पहले अगर आपने WithNAZ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो रेड बटन से सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, साथ ही बेल आइकॉन के बटन को प्रेस करिए। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो थम्स अप दीजिए।
Let's start cooking now. Here we have 1.5 pound chicken cut in strips, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoon cooking oil, 2 tablespoon tandoori masala. Please comment below if you would like the masala recipe. Mix all ingredients well and set aside for 30 minutes. Today I am using spiral pasta because it is fun to eat. The tandoori flavor will come in every bite. Add pasta to the boiling water. Stir so the pasta doesn't stick together. In another pot, add 3 tablespoons cooking oil on medium heat, half cup chopped onion, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic and 1 tablespoon chopped ginger. Stir both until color start change and add marinated chicken. Let it cook for 6 to 8 minutes. Chicken and onion will release the water. Don't worry about that. It's gonna be okay. Now add half cup ketchup, 1 cup pasta sauce, 1 tablespoon crushed red pepper, 1 tablespoon oregano flakes, 1 tablespoon chopped cilantro, 1 tablespoon chopped green chilies, 1 cup chopped green bell pepper. Mix well, add the cooked and strained pasta and stir all ingredients. Now it's the fun and exciting part we have all been waiting for. Can't wait for it. You all to see. So let's take it out on the plate. देखने में खूबसूरत, खाने में बेइंतहा लजीज और बनाने में बहुत आसान है। तो चलिए मैं अपनी बेटी को ट्राई करवाती हूँ, जो कि इसने भी मेरी हेल्प करी है डिश बनाने में और होपफुली इसने सीख भी ली है और नेक्स्ट टाइम अब ये मुझे बना के खिलाएगी। तो इसी तरह आप लोग इसकी रेसिपी को फॉलो करिएगा और चलिए अब हम ट्राई करते हैं कि इसका टेस्ट कैसा है।
Let's give it a try.
I can smell and feel the taste in my mouth.
I mean, I tried some too. So good, right?
एक तो इतनी मज़ेदार, so delicious और दूसरे मेरी बेटी के हाथ से। बहुत जल्द मिलेंगे एक नई रेसिपी के साथ। हम दोनों माँ बेटियाँ मिलते हैं फिर एक नई वीडियो के साथ बहुत जल्दी। उस वक्त तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय।